This is Clarice, and this is the very first video I will ever make. I am starting my curly hair journey, and I wanted to document the progress because I'm really hoping that I will see thicker, curlier, easier to manage hair in the next few weeks, if not months. So I wanted to just document the way that it looks right now in its natural state. There are some products on, but that's just left over from what I've been using. I'm going to cut out all silicons, sulfates, and parabens from my hair. Let's go back a little bit. In the past, growing up, I had thick straight hair, or what I thought was straight hair, and then as I got to about middle school, I started using gels, and I would scrunch my hair. And again, I had thick hair, so it was nice and curly. I would say wavies. I'm a wavy girl, and it looked great. And when I went to college, I decided I didn't want to scrunch my hair anymore. I thought it looked more luxurious, and I felt like I needed to be more adult, and so I would curl my hair, curl it, and straighten it. And I straightened it a lot. I noticed that my hair was becoming more brittle, and I didn't know why. And I don't know for sure if this is what happened, but I think what happened is I would try to limit the amount of shampooing I was doing, and I would over-condition. So I believe my hair has a lot of buildup on it. I'll find out if this is accurate, but I really think that I have a lot of buildup. I kind of stopped touching my hair. I was afraid of it because I was starting to lose a lot of hair, which again makes me think maybe there was too much protein. I would use a lot of coconut oil, argan oil, Moroccan oil, things like that. I thought that would help me condition my hair and get its luster back, and I think I was just doing the opposite of what I should have been doing. Now you can see what it looks like. So this is about 10 years of poor hair care. That's what I'm going to call it. And I have a couple bobby pins in the back here, so I will take those out. But let's just check out the front. I went to work today. I was working with babies, working with little kids. So yeah, it's pretty sad, right? I mean, when you look at this, you can see that it's pretty thin. The ends are misshapen. There are some curls, but I mean, in the car earlier today, I was trying to finger curl a little bit. I didn't get much. I'll show you what it looks like without the bobby pins too. But it's a beautiful day out, and so I'll tell you what I put into it. Okay, so shake it out a little bit. At the roots, this was clean maybe two days ago, so I did put some stuff on after I shampooed it. So that's what it looks like from the back. It's a little greasy right now, but that is because I put in, this is new, it's brand new for me. It's called Softy, by Softy, it's called Mango Butter. The ends were really dry, and so I was just trying to spruce them up, and now, I mean, it's all over the back of my neck. I can feel it. Nothing against the product, I don't know how to use it. I don't know if it's right for my hair. So now I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've been using and that I'm going to cut out, I think. I have been staying at my boyfriend's. I'm going to be moving in, so that's where I am. So I was just using what he had, some Head and Shoulders. Nothing fancy. I don't think this is something I should have been using, right, for the curly girl method. Repair and Protect by Pantene. I would think if I look on the back, I mean, there's alcohols. Dimethicone, which I know that cone, if it ends with cone, it's a silicone. So I maybe shouldn't have been using that. This is a mask I've been using for a little while, well, a couple of weeks. Pantene mask. I liked it. I would use it all over. It gave my hair some nice texture. It smoothed the frizzies. I don't know. I thought it was good. I can't really tell what's in it right now. Not quickly enough. Dimethicone. This is something I picked up. It was inexpensive. Garnier Fructis smoothing treatment. Again, I'm not sure. I'm sure I probably shouldn't have been using it. So I'm starting the curly girl method. Let's show you what I just purchased. Went to Acme, and I'm going to try to cut out all those things I'm supposed to. So this does have sulfur in it, but that is because I am trying to cleanse my hair. It has a lot of buildup. You can tell that. It's just sad. This is not what it looks like every day. I mean, I can add a picture of what it looks like on the daily. It's not where I want it, but this is a bad state. It's in a bad state. It's just not good. So I'm going to use that to clarify my hair, to cleanse it, to get all the disgusting, the buildup off of it, to open it up, restore scalp's natural pH balance. I gotta get everything back to normal. That being said, I do have a curly girl hairstylist appointment in about 2 weeks. So I'm hoping to see within even the next 2 weeks I can get better before I go and see her. I know I was told, clarify your hair ahead of time. Otherwise, we'll do it here for you. But it might take multiple washes to get all that buildup out of your hair. So I wanted to get ahead of that and start now. So I got a cleansing shampoo. Picked it up from the textured hair aisle, and you'll see Kent too. These are the things I got. I don't know too much, but I do know that textured hair, people are looking for products that are free of sulfates, silicones, and paraffins. So I'm hoping it'll be great. No sulfates, gluten, parabens, or mineral oil. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to follow it up with some hydrating cream by the same makers. Okay, I'm going to finish it off with some leave-in conditioner. I expect to get some things from the Diva Curl stylist. I know I needed to start it now. I'm really hopeful. I'm really excited. And I really want to show a difference and show that you can take hair that has just been treated poorly and we can make it better by treating it the way that it should be treated. So this is just, like I said, it's just sad right now, but that's okay. I'm very optimistic. We're going to be moving forward. It'll get better. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to show you guys some progress coming up.